Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala in this video we will practice writing and reading in the Arabic language. This video is for the beginners who want to start learning the Arabic language from the scratch. Okay, so let's get started. What do we call this letter in Arabic? Very good. This is the letter Sheen. The letter Sheen. We put Fatha. Sha. 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 The next letter. What do we call this letter in Arabic? The letter Ba. Very good job. We put Kasra. B. 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 And then this is the letter Ain. Very good job. We put Fatha. Ow. 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 Excellent. Now let's try to connect those letters together. This is the letter Sheen. In the beginning, we put Fatha. Sha. 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 And then the next letter, the letter Ba. We put Kasra. B. B. Sha, B, Sha, B, Sha, B, Sha, B. And then the last letter, the letter Ain. This is the final form of the letter Ain. Okay? We put Fatha. Ow, ow. Sha, B, ow. Shabi'a, 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 shabi'a. Very good job. And this is mean. He was full. He was full. Okay? He was full. Shabi'a. 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 Very good job. So we come to the end of this video. Hope you like it. And see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. Goodbye. مع السلامة.